So, hi everybody and welcome back to the Blender tutorial series for absolute beginners. I'm Astarter and we are creating really basic shapes here for Unreal Engine 5. And in this video, which is number... which video is that? It's number 7. We are going to create a flying object which we can shut down. And let's get started. So first of all, we have a cube, that's good. We press 1 numpad, then we press select our object, grab G, and then set to scale it and to move it on the Z axis, and that's okay. And then what we are doing is we're going here. Should we scale it up? Let's watch again. 1 back. Yes, we should make it grab again on the Z axis, put it a little bit higher here, and scale it a little bit bigger with S, and then we can scale it. Yes. And then, yeah, we go closer and we add loop cuts. First of all, we go to edit mode, of course. Then deselect all with AA, and then this one is a loop cut here, and here Control R is the shortcut. Control R. Oh, yes, we have it almost here. And when we use the mouse wheel, we can add two. We click and then we can move it, and when we click one more time where we want it, then it snaps there. So we have made the loop cuts. That's nice. And this side, let's change here to the face mode. This side we will make a wing. And how we are going to do this, let's see. We press 1 for the front view again, then our numpad, and now I will extrude this, but on the other side it should extrude at the same time, and we can add a mirror, I think. Let's go for modifiers, add, and here should be anywhere a mirror again. Here, and I don't know if I should apply this axis, and it's asking in which axis. This one is X, right? X-axis, okay. So we select axis X, and then we go for this is okay. And now we can extrude, and yes, that is what we want. And let's make here some wings which we can shut down, and then we make scale a little bit flat, and then we make grab, and we unset. So we make here something like that. That's good. And we may create it something like wings, right? Let's do the same here with the front view too. Let's switch to the on numpad number 3, extrude. Here is no modifier. So first of all, we add this. Nope. We have here a problem. We selected this one, but this time I think we have to select on y-axis. Okay, we select this one, we deselect X, and then extrude now, and now it works. It's fine. But let's watch here again. Oh, where's that one gone? Oh, which means I have... Oh, now it works. So X, Y, okay. Now we go, it works. And now we make this here too. Let's make a very simple one, not to complicate it. Is okay? Yeah, something like a flying object. And scale this here a little bit. Okay. And looks not very cool, but okay. And I think we can go up. I can't apply it anyhow. Let's press enter or something like that. Let's change to object mode and now apply. Yes, now I can apply. Okay, now we have this object here, which we can shut down. It's very simple. And let's click right click. What's this? Let's shade smooth. There is nothing much to smooth. But okay, we have this weird object. I think we use that. It's perfect to shut down. but it's, yeah, it's very simple. Cool. But what we add here are colors, and we learned this one in the last video, how we add colors. The first thing is we change to UV shading, I think. Here we can, where is my object? Ah, here on top. Very good. So here on the left side, we bring our image, which is a PNG, in my case, a palette. Here is it. The next thing is, what I have to do is going to, this is just the shading which we are going to do later, but right now we have to go first. No, this is UV editing. We have to go to shading first. All right, was my mistake. Okay, we go here to shading first, and my object is a little bit on top, that's why we can't see it. Here we have to add this image which we added before here as well. This one is the same image what I added here. So then we just connect it to the base color, and it looks like this. That's good because that's normal. Here we are finished. We change to UV shading, and here we see not the colors, which means we have to change here on top. Let's see, from material to texture. Okay, then we have this one. So this one looks weird. That's normal because we have now select this object with A, then switch here to the left side with the mouse and press A again. This time here is all selected. Press S and 0, enter, and we have the one dot here, and then we can grab it, and then we can color all because all are selected. Let's set it, for example, at start black. Oh, this is green. Let's select it again here and again here anywhere and grab it again. And I want it, why I can't see it here actually, I don't know why. Okay, now it's black. So we start with black, and what we are going to do now is color it a little bit. And how we color it, we are here in the face mode. We can select the face which we want color. In this case, I don't know, let's make some colors. Here, here, and here. Let's select this one, then here on the left side, A grab. Why I can't see this here? Perhaps I made here make something wrong here. I'm not sure. I can't because it's overlapping anyhow, right? Oh, anything is wrong. I do anything wrong here. I'm not sure what. But let's continue and see what we are going to do wrong. Let's go fast to shading again. Normally it's okay. UV shading. Select all. Okay, I don't know what. Ah, they are here outside anywhere. Select all, grab. Ah, now I get. And now scale them again to 0. Enter, grab again. Let's start from start. Now I see it. Anyhow, they were outside and now it's black. Okay. Now I select this one again, and this one. And now I go here and grab and set it, for example, to yellow. Now this side's, I don't know why it's flickering. It's flickering. Anyway, let's continue and see if this is not working. Now I select these two sides. I make here this one, grab it and set it, for example, to blue. And now we have here blue. And I'm not sure if this is really working. And here the other ones, let's say we have enough selected, and so the other ones I select now all left ones. So here, and this side also. There's something. Yes, here, and here, here also. Okay, this one also, and all other ones select now. Grab this one and make red. So now I don't know if this is really true because here is something strange. But let's see what I messed up. So anyway, we go back to our layout. We set here on top again to texture. This looks like strange anyhow. It's anyhow overlapping. I'm not sure why. But okay. We use that. Okay, we created this one. Now we go to file, we go to export, FBX export. Ours is not selected. Let's cancel this fast. Select our object here. Then again, it must be selected. That's very important. And then we go here again, export, FBX export, and let's see what I messed up there when I have exported it. So what we do here on the right side, selected object, we want the mesh, we want transform all okay here, X is forward, yes, this one, and Z is up, don't apply, there is nothing, and we don't need, and here I don't need thing, here I need something, and this is face. And in geometry and apply modifiers, that's fine. Oh, baked animation, we don't have any baked animations here. That's it. So with that said, we can go to my folder, and here I go to, where is that? Unreal Engine projects, game, and content. And here and let's call this one here on the bottom. Color not right. Color not right. So this, because I call it strange because here the color looks a little bit strange. I messed it probably up, but still we export it and click export. So with that we go to Unreal Engine. Here's the import options, and here let's see what we have to set. I think these are all fine. Unselect all. And I hope it's all right? This is all time the same because I set it all right. I think I make it. Import, so we have it, and we are going to test what we have it now. There are something error messages. Let's read them because the color was also not really. Okay. Tangent basis. Okay, this one. Okay, anything issues, but okay, that's not so a big deal, I think. Let's go here to the content and let's see our object which we created. Yes, I messed up definitive with this shading here. It's even flickering. And it's very big again. Oh man. Anyway, I think we see when I play here.
Here we go. Say goodbye.
And then we shot this one.
Bam, bam, bam.
No. Okay, our simple object which we wanted to show. The static mesh is okay, but the material I messed up. And in the next one, I will see if I can make this better. Till there, bye. No.